What's going on, everybody? It's Tyler Gamble, the delivery specialist down here at Bruce Honda. It's another Feature Thursday today, and we're going to be talking about how you can access the lane keeping assist and the adaptive cruise control in the 2020 Honda CR-V. You guys ready? I know I am. Let's get to it. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll flip this camera around so that I can show you exactly what you need to do. Ready? So you have to have the vehicle on. When the vehicle is on, you see this main button down here on the steering wheel? All you do is you push the main button on the steering wheel. As you can see here, the adaptive cruise control and the lane keeping assist is on. So if I press that main button again on the steering wheel itself, see those two lights that went out? That means it's off. So you turn it back on again, and boom, they're on. Okay, now to access, it's on the steering wheel itself. It's over to the right of the main button that you would push for accessing the lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. And it's a steering wheel that has two lines on it. So you would hit that button, and as you can see, the dotted lines appear. Now they're dotted because there's no lines actually in front of me, but those would be solid once you have that on a main highway. You can turn that off as well, and to access the adaptive cruise control, that is just up from that button there, and it is the car that has the three little rectangles, so you would push that, and that's your car length. So you got 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's basically it for accessing the adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Super simple, it's right there on the steering wheel, and same thing as cruise control. You get up to the speed, you set it, and away you go. Alright, we'll jump back into the view so that we can finish off the video. Ready? Alright, I really hope you all enjoyed that video and you got some information out of that, and that you know how to access the lane keeping assist and the adaptive cruise control. It's right there on the steering wheel. Head on down to Bruce Honda at 166 Stars Road in Yarmouth, Nova Scotia, or give us a call at 902-742-2575, and we hope to see you there. Alright, see ya.